Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie dollar. Right, so I have the Aussie dollar here on the 4 hours, and on the 4 hours the Aussie dollar is actually in a pretty nice configuration. Right, market structure shows that the Aussie dollar is generally making the same high. Okay, and recently it has been making higher lows. So really we are in a triangle squeeze. Alright, so this triangle squeeze is going to be a bit hard to play as we are nearing the end of the triangle, but that also means that on the shorter term, on the 1 hour later, we can also look for intraday opportunities. Alright, so this is just something to take note of. Okay, we do have a triangle squeeze, something like that. Right, we can expect price to push down at least to the same low on the 1 hour later. I will show you guys, alright, before any chance of another bounce to possibly test the same resistance. Okay, so the intraday trade that we might be taking would be this short-term drop before going for a swing trade on a long. Alright, let's go into the 1 hour. Okay, but before that, if we do a retracement of the last move from low to high, okay, we see that there's a 61.8 here which has been tested. The 78.60 is slightly lower. I'm just going to keep this ratios here, and let's go into the 1 hour quickly. Okay, on the 1 hour, right, technical indicators show that price is now below moving average. MACD is below zero, showing room for further bullish momentum. And if we were to draw a trend line connecting all these lines together, right, try not to cut the candle bodies, okay, but touch as many candles as possible. Okay, this is what we can see. Alright, give me a moment, just let me change this. Okay, price is also holding on the short term below this descending trendline resistance. Right, and if we were to do a retracement of the last high to low, okay, just like that, high to low, we see that price is reacting at the 61.8. Right, and price could very well come back to test this 61.8 again, whereby we can enter with our sell entry. And of course we can play to the last swing low. Alright, we have a negative 27.20. Okay, I'm just going to remove this 4 hour Fibonacci retracement. We can play to a last swing low, which is over here. Right, that's also close to the 4 hour 61.80 retracement. Right, so anywhere here can be our target. This is really a take profit. This is our first take profit. If price really does break lower below this ascending trend line into a triangle reversal, this can be our full take profit. Right, so our first target is here, our second target is here. Alright, and at the same time this is in line with the ascending trend line support and the last graphical swing low. Right, so we see the price is starting to drop. Okay, and level at which we're going to put our stop loss is just slightly above the 78.60, right, to give our trade a bit of room to breathe. And also if price breaks above this descending trend line and closes above it, it means our short-term bearish idea has been invalidated. Okay, so even if we play to the first TP, right, the risk reward is still pretty nice. So thanks everyone for looking at today's trade of the day. This is Aussie dollar. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe, and have a great weekend ahead.